For week 3 of summer school, the theme is travel. And in science class, we focused on cars and gearing. The students made their own little cars by starting out with a small piece of plywood, adding wheels, gears, electric motors, and batteries to that. I helped them solder it all together, and then they had to try different gears to figure out which ones worked best. After we studied the principles of torque and gearing, they had to apply that to a real-world small model car. The students had to test their designs, change them, and try again until they got something that worked properly. Week 4, the theme is flight, and in science class we studied airplanes and how they fly. We studied the wing and the engines that drive the plane, and then the students had to make their own working models by applying what they learned about wings and wing technology to gliders with small motors on them. I was really impressed with the variety and ingenuity of the designs that the students came up with. Check them out.